Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to download and install Binance app on iPhone. Right? Now, if you went to your App Store or Google Play and search for Binance, and probably you didn't find it here, that means Binance is restricted in your region. However, there is a workaround. Go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, hit your name at the top, press Media and Purchases, and hit View Account. And inside, what you can do, you can change your region in order to fit or to go around the policy. So change your country or region, right? Change it to a country that is eligible, right? And basically hit done at the top and go again to your App Store or Google Play and install Binance. That should fix the problem. Consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.